The world of reality television has always been filled with jaw-dropping moments, emotional breakthroughs, and unexpected confessions that leave fans buzzing for days. For TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters, one of the most talked about and anticipated updates revolves around Tammy Slaton and weather. She has finally achieved something that once seemed impossible, learning to drive a car. Tammy, who has undergone one of the most remarkable weight loss transformations in recent reality TV history, shocked fans recently by making a confession about cars, driving, and independence that has everyone talking. For years, the star was bound by her health struggles, which included immobility, breathing complications, and reliance on oxygen. Her weight made ordinary tasks seem monumental, and the thought of driving was out of reach. But now, fans are asking the big question: did Tammy finally take control behind the wheel, and what does her confession mean for her future? For longtime followers of Tammy's journey, this milestone would mark more than just gaining a new skill. It symbolizes a kind of freedom she has never truly experienced. On 1000 LB Sisters, fans watched as Tammy's siblings, Amy, Chris, Mishti, and Amanda, often drove her to appointments, family gatherings, and even rehab facilities. She frequently expressed frustration at depending on others, especially when tensions in the family ran high. The idea of Tammy driving herself always felt like a faraway dream. Yet now, with Tammy's health on a different path, that dream may have finally collided with reality. During recent discussions and fan interactions, Tammy revealed a shocking confession about cars that has left viewers speculating. While she did not outright confirm that she has a driver's license in her hand, her words suggest she has been taking steps to either learn how to drive or to seriously think about what it would mean for her independence. Fans immediately seized on the details, pointing out that Tammy's slimmer frame, increased mobility, and confidence make driving no longer out of the question. Her confession carried weight because it was more than just a casual remark. It was a glimpse into a new chapter of her life, one where she may no longer be reliant on others for the simple freedom of hopping in a car and going wherever she pleases. For much of Tammy's life, driving was impossible. At her heaviest, her mobility was so limited that fitting into a driver's seat or handling the steering wheel safely wasn't realistic. Even short walks required oxygen tanks and physical assistance. This made her heavily reliant on family, particularly her brother Chris, who has been one of her biggest supporters. Yet as fans know, that reliance often came with tension, as Tammy's stubbornness clashed with her siblings' frustration about her health choices. The thought of Tammy behind the wheel seemed like the stuff of fantasy during the show's earlier seasons. But everything changed after Tammy's dramatic weight loss surgery and her continued efforts to maintain a healthier lifestyle. Fans have seen her proudly walking without oxygen, fitting comfortably into restaurant booths, traveling, and even posing for selfies that radiate new confidence. The natural next step in her journey of independence would be learning to drive. In American culture, driving is often seen as the ultimate marker of adulthood and independence, and for Tammy, who has spent much of her life feeling trapped inside her own body, it could be a transformative step forward. Her confession about cars stirred intense debate across social media. Some fans believe Tammy may already be quietly taking driving lessons or practicing with family members. Others speculate that her confession was more about the fear and excitement she feels when considering driving, since it represents something she has never been able to do before. Either way, her words confirmed that cars and driving are now firmly on her mind, and for someone like Tammy, that represents a massive leap forward. Viewers have also been quick to point out that Tammy's journey has always been about more than just weight loss. It is about gaining independence, experiencing milestones that most people take for granted, and reclaiming her life after years of struggle. Learning to drive fits perfectly into this narrative. Imagine Tammy picking up her sister Amy and the boys for an outing, or being able to drive herself to medical appointments without relying on Chris or Amanda. The idea of Tammy driving herself to a grocery store, or even just cruising around town, is almost revolutionary for someone who once faced life-threatening immobility. Her confession also highlights the emotional side of this milestone. Driving represents freedom, but it also represents responsibility. Tammy has admitted in the past that she often feels anxious when faced with new responsibilities. Fans can understand that driving may feel overwhelming to someone who has spent years relying on others. Yet, the fact that she is even entertaining the idea signals just how far she has come. It is worth remembering that Tammy has always had a complicated relationship with independence. On one hand, she craves it deeply, especially after years of needing help with even the simplest tasks. On the other, she has sometimes resisted taking the steps needed to achieve it. The new Tammy, however, appears to be embracing change. Her confession about cars may not be a firm declaration that she is already driving, but it suggests she is actively considering what driving could mean for her. For fans, that is enough to spark hope that the Tammy they see today is ready to fully embrace her independence. The symbolism of Tammy driving cannot be overstated. On 1000 LB Sisters, cars have often been a backdrop to her struggles. Fans remember when Tammy had difficulty getting into vehicles, when her size prevented seat belts from closing properly, or when specialized transport was required to get her to appointments. Every moment involving cars on the show seemed to highlight her limitations. But now, her confession flips that narrative entirely. Cars are no longer symbols of struggle, they are symbols of possibility. Her family has also played a role in shaping this narrative. Chris, who once shouldered the burden of driving Tammy everywhere, has made no secret of wanting her to be more independent. Amy, too, has often expressed frustration that Tammy's limitations held the family back. If Tammy does learn to drive, it will not only be a personal victory but also a relief for her family, who can now share fewer responsibilities and watch Tammy thrive on her own terms. Social media reaction to Tammy's confession has been overwhelmingly supportive. Fans filled comment sections with encouragement, expressing how much they want to see Tammy succeed in every area of her life. Some joked about imagining Tammy in her first car, while others pointed out that her newfound freedom could allow her to travel, explore, and maybe even make spontaneous decisions for the first time in her adult life. For a fan base that has invested years of emotional energy in watching Tammy's ups and downs, the idea of her behind the wheel represents a payoff worth celebrating. Driving could also open up new opportunities for Tammy beyond her personal life. It could give her more control over her career, social appearances, and even her ability to interact with fans. With her rising popularity on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, the freedom to travel independently could expand her reach and visibility even further. The Tammy Slaton that once struggled to leave her house could now be on the road, traveling to events, meeting fans, or even just enjoying life without the logistical challenges she once faced. Of course, there are also concerns. Driving is a serious responsibility, and fans hope Tammy approaches it with the same discipline she has shown in her health journey. Some worry that the stress of driving or the challenges of adapting to something so new could overwhelm her. But most agree that if Tammy is ready to take the wheel, she deserves the chance to prove she can handle it. Her shocking confession about cars may not have been a straightforward announcement of, "I got my license," but it was enough to ignite speculation that Tammy Slaton is closer than ever to achieving this next milestone. In many ways, her statement was classic Tammy, teasing fans with just enough information to keep them guessing, while also reminding them that her journey is still unfolding. As fans wait for confirmation about whether Tammy has officially learned to drive, one thing is certain. The very fact that she is thinking about it represents monumental progress. For someone who once seemed destined to live a life limited by her body, Tammy's confession shows that her story is far from over. Every step she takes toward independence adds a new layer to her inspiring transformation. Tammy Slaton's driving confession is not just about a car. It is about freedom, responsibility, independence, and proving that change is possible even when the odds seem stacked against you. Whether she has already gotten behind the wheel or is still working up the courage to take that first driving lesson, her words have already made an impact. For fans, the image of Tammy Slaton driving down the road, windows down, music playing, and independence in her hands, is more powerful than almost anything they've seen so far on 1000 LB Sisters. And maybe, just maybe, that dream is already becoming reality. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.